Have you ever had a visionary experience that you didn't fully understand? Or are you interested in developing your visionary skills? Or do you wish you had more access to your visionary capacity? I'm Gucciardi. I'm the founding director of the Foundation of the Sacred Stream, a school for consciousness studies in Berkeley, California. And I will be teaching a class called Meeting at the Intersection of Buddhism and Shamanism, Visionary Experience. And in this class, we're going to be exploring the role of visionary experience in these two ancient wisdom systems. And we're going to learn how to integrate some of the tools they offer into our own ways of knowing in a practical and grounded way. So join me and learn more about these two ancient wisdom systems and learn what they have to offer you as you step into the next level of understanding about your visionary experience generally and about your own capacities specifically. I look forward to sitting in circle with you.